Namaskar, Namaskar. Ritu this side, Ritu here. Today I am going to make matcha haldi pani, which is a very rustic and extinct recipe of Odisha. But people are doing these days. People are making this curry. But I have seen few bloggers. Actually, before I start, let me clear one thing. I have seen few bloggers are making this matcha haldi pani by putting tomatoes and dahi in it, which is actually wrong. So, and those I have seen those bloggers, many followers are following them. So if you are giving a wrong recipe, those followers will follow that wrong recipe, which is the saddest part. So I request you not to do that actually. If you are doing a recipe and you are giving it to the public, so you should be very careful about the recipe. You should research and do the recipe, do the right recipe, and give it to the public, so that public will follow the right recipe. And because many followers are following you, so you should be little careful about the recipe, because I have seen them adding tomatoes and dahi, which is wrong actually. So please don't do that. I request you not to do that. Actually, in matcha haldi pani, that fermented water rice, a fermented rice water, that being added actually. If you want more tanginess in the curry, so you can add a piece of dry mango to bring that more tanginess in the curry. Otherwise, or else torani, that we call torani, that fermented rice water, which we call torani. So that is automatic. After that, we keep it for 4-5 days, so it is automatically, it becomes the sour. It becomes sour. It automatically, it brings the tanginess in in torani that we add in the curry. So you don't need to, if it is sour, then you don't need to, even if you don't need to add that dry mango also. But if it is needed, then you can add dry mango for to bring that tanginess in the curry. Otherwise, you don't add. Please don't add tomato and dahi, that curd, in this curry, which is actually wrong recipe. So this is the recipe you can follow. See, matcha haldi pani means it's completely, it's a watery type. That only that torani will be added.